Hello guys. So welcome back to Ali Jojo. If you cannot see my eyes, comment down below because in my next video I will take these off. I'm not blind. By the way, I'm gonna take them off right now. And I'm gonna be making some edible slime. And at the end, I'm gonna be talking about one of my slimes that I made before when I didn't have this YouTube channel. Well, I did have this YouTube channel, but still. So I already microwaved these two because they're getting hard, so we better make this fast because I'm in my room making it and it's hard to make, and my mom said I can't make it in there when my brother's in there, so because he'll come in and mess everything up. So let me get my spoons. So what you're going to be needing is some gummies. Any type will do, but I'm using twin snakes because they're the only gummies that I could find at Walmart in the stocks in the aisle that I was on. So you're going to be needing some, that light is bright, I have my lamp on. You're going to be needing some powdered sugar, and you're going to be needing gummies like I said, and something to mix with. So let's get started on this one. I added green, and the twin snakes are hooked together, so there's a little bit of a rainbow. I did green and blue. Wait, this might already be slime and I haven't even added anything. This might be. Wait, I think it got so hard that we might not even need powdered sugar. Okay, let me just mix this up. Because I'm going to make a part 2 of this where I immediately start making it. Because I still have some more where I immediately start making it. This might actually be clear. It is very sticky though. Because it's a gummy. And I'm a human. And I have skin. And I have bones. And all humans have bones. Let me just mix it. Wow, this is really sticking. Let me start adding powdered sugar. And my mom might post a oobleck video, and my room is still messy from that. So I wonder how messy it's going to be after this. My carpet is literally so messy right now from all the videos that I've done. I haven't done many though. But this is my second one doing it in my room. And I'm just immediately mixing with my hands because it's not very, slimy. But it is sticking to me. You can see that with your eyes because humans have eyes too. Okay. Why am I talking about humans so much? And this is edible slime. So at the end, I'm going to be eating this. Not the whole thing, because I still want to play with it some more. I mean, how long is this thing going to take for me to mix? I'm just mixing with the spoon. No clue why, but this is taking too long. This video is probably going to be like 8 minutes long. It's already like 4 minutes long. And I just want to give a big shout out to Claire and everyone that wanted me to give them a shout out at school. I'm just telling y'all, thank you for everything that y'all have done. Oh no, I have no clue what I just said. For all y'all have done. Think it's ready. Nope. Still sticky. When is it gonna be not sticky? I gotta have patience. I want to get out the bowl. It's getting stuck to my glass bowl. This was not a good idea to use my mom's good glass bowls. Ugh. This is good. There's powdered sugar all over my desk that I got for Christmas. No, I got for my birthday from my mom. I used it for Christmas. My birthday is a week before Christmas, probably. Maybe sooner. Yes! This slime is officially done. And time to move on to the next slime. Put this back in the bowl. The very messy bowl. The bowl of shame. Go back in the bowl of shame. Time to make my other one. First, let's see. That one's going to taste so good. And this one, I added red and orange together. My radio's on. I'm supposed to take it off. Or I'm not supposed to. But I would like to. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a peachy color, you know. What am I doing? This is not working out. This is just getting messy. This needs way more powdered sugar. That'll make it better anyway. Make it sweeter. I've seen these and they're like really messy. This is not messier than what they did. I did not use any measurements for this. I think that might be the problem of why these turned out so sticky. It's getting better. The more powdered sugar. My good clothes are ruined. Should have changed before I did this. I had a birthday before. Finally! Oh, and I went to Sawgrass. Ah! Sticky. 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 Really sticky. These are really small because those snakes are pretty small. Ah! I'm just gonna maybe take some cornstarch here. This is a peachy color, like I said it would. If you can't see how peachy this is, but in real life this is really peachy. Okay, this video is like 10 minutes long, and all I'm doing is mixing slime. Like, wait, what? Oh, I can't get it off of me. No. That ain't happening. Ugh. I want to taste it so bad, but it's really sticky. It's not as sticky as that other one, though. That other one was pretty sticky. Not as sticky as this one. And I officially have a great big mess. At least it's making slime. I can just clean it off. You can clean off plastic, right? It's like bubble gum. But it is not bubblegum slime. This is my first time ever making edible slime. Oh, this is way too sticky. I have to eat it. How do I... That's so good. It's literally so good. Let me get the green one out. Let me taste the green one. These really can't dry out. They will just get hard like this one did. It's so sticky. Uh-oh. Sticky situation. Really sticky situation. Really sticky situation. How about I just eat them right now? And then they'll be gone forever. I think I might keep this pink one though. Okay, let me quit eating slime. This one's really sour. Uh-oh, I just ate the rest of my slime. Now, let me show you this slime. It's foam, perfume slime. Really stretchy. They probably have powdered sugar in this. Okay. This video is officially over. I'm so sorry, guys. It's like 15 minutes. Bye.